Good morning. I am having my breakfast. I have here eggs. Nung maliit pa kami, ang sabi nila, ang gatas at itlog ay pagkain pampalusog. At ang saging at papaya ay pagkain pampaganda. Tapos, meron man ditong apple. Merong sinabi noon na, an apple a day drives the doctor away. Meron din ditong kudyapa. This is my favorite vegetable. In English, this is spinach. And this is my favorite vegetable.